G'day, Davo here from XO2. I'm hanging out the back in the warehouse where we store some of our Disso, and this is an amazing product that's it's going all around the country now. It's a hospital grade disinfectant, TGA listed, kills COVID and all these other sorts of stuff as well. It's a really amazing product. Today though, I wanted to show you how you could give you a little secret on how you can save some money. And so that is with this product here, which is the 750ml labelled bottle. It's empty and refillable. Made in Australia, bottle and label as well, which is really cool. So the way you use this is you'll buy your Disso in a 5 litre drum or a 15 litre drum. Normally you might have been buying them filled up like this in a 750 squirt pack or spray bottle. If you've got a bunch of cleaners, maybe you've got a whole team of 20 or 30 or 50, this is going to save you some money. If you're getting the 5 litre drums, just make sure you look at getting one of these. This is a 5 litre cap tap. And it's really simple. Just remove your existing cap, whack this one on, and then you can put your drum on its side and then refill your bottle really simply like that. The second way is the 15 litre bulk drum. You'll even save more money this way. But if you're going to do it this way, make sure you get yourself one of these. This is a cap spanner and also a bung remover. Very cool tool, available on our website. This bit here opens up the lid so that it saves your hands. I don't know if you've ever had a time where you're trying to do it by hand. It's pretty tough. This is really good for that. And the other end of the tool is for removing the bung. Just when you do that, make sure that you obviously got your drum on its back like that. Remove your bung and then get one of these things. This is just a drum tap and it goes in there. You just screw it in. Once you've done that, you can put your drum back up in the upright position, and then you've got yourself a nice little way of decanting into your bottle. In addition to these cool little things, you've got a couple of closure options. The first one here is the Canyon trigger. This is a heavy duty professional trigger. You don't throw these things out, that's for sure. These are reusable over and over and over again. They're a really cool trigger. So that's if you like to spray and wipe or spray and leave your product. If you just want a little squirt cap, we have this one. This is also made in Australia, this thing. And this just goes straight on the bottle. And it's a good little solution for if you don't like to spray your chemicals. So who would have thought you could do a cool video on an empty bottle? I hope I've done that. I hope this saves you some money, and I hope that it helps you to save the environment as well. If you've got any other questions, if you need a hand with anything else, that's what we're here to do, so make sure you get in touch. Thank you.